We'll just have a little look inside your gym. You want to talk us through it?
Yeah, let's go, yeah.
You like cribs? Do you want to do a cribs thing?
Yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome to my gym. Come this way. We have a toilet just there.
We'll see the women's one. Where's the men's one?
Men's, yeah, that's a bit of both. The men's one is through the back there. It's the Coolhand gym. Coolhand way. That's what I'm having today. Georgie, second sparring. Neslan, how you doing?
How you doing?
This has had a good spar. Loads of guys have come from a different gym today, so it's all going back. I don't know if you want to go through there.
Yeah, we'll have a little look.
A few offices. So, through here, there's aircon, which is nice.
Cough.
Got a couple of offices. Some spare gloves, some towels.
Oh, the old Coolhand towels.
Some towels. You know, some beach people towels, which is Saulo's company.
Where's your chair? That one there?
That's my
one.
chair, yeah. Don't often sit in there, but it's man. This is the kitchen. Well, microwave and the fridge. It's a start.
It's a good table, that is.
Yeah. Massage room. In there.
We turn a little light on there.
Yeah. Go on, man.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go. Massage room in here.
Nice. Scales, quite big
Yeah,
scales
it's
there.
coming
aren't
little by little.
Yeah.
You know,
What's the theme here with this and this?
These was from Saulo's office.
Oh, okay.
I'm talking about Saulo. He's my very good friend that built this place for me. And Saulo sometimes works from the office instead of going into work. He works from there because he loves being in the gym environment. Meeting room.
Back in the corner.
Yeah.
Was it always your sort of plan, as when you turned pro, to have your own sort of place that kind of wasn't where you lived?
No, I always wanted my own gym in Hull.
Yeah.
Where I lived. And I've got one where I live in Hull, but having my own gym in Miami I didn't think that would come for a longer time.
Yeah.
I wanted it, but obviously through my friend that helped me, Saulo, then yeah, they're just storage rooms at the minute. They're getting done up.
Yeah.
For recovery rooms and stuff. Oh yeah, and this is this area.
I tell you what, coming from out there into here is quite nice.
What a difference.
What's that?
The guy on the outside of the ring got it. So yeah, changing rooms in there. Fighting.
This is a good bit of food, sir.
Fucking fighting again. Through there, changing rooms and showers.
Weight area.
Down here, just a few air down bike and running machines, ladders. And that's it.
This is your crib.
This is my crib. This is where we do all the hard work and we get prepared for fights. And so then sometimes we'll go to other people's gyms as well. And we go sparring in their gyms. So.
Alright, well listen, Luke, thank you very much for showing us around. Thank you very much for your time today. And yeah, 6 weeks out.
Thanks for coming.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Yeah, it'll be your moment.
not counting the days down and making the days count. That's the plan. Got to be prepared and focused.
No problem. Luke Campbell, thank you very much for talking to iFall TV, and I'm sure we'll catch up with you soon.
Thank you.